Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Are you tired of shaky footage and missed moments because your hands were full? Whether you're filming a technical DIY, a mountain bike trail, or a cooking vlog, your gear can make or break the shot. Today, we are counting down the top picks on the market right now to find the best neck phone holder for your creative needs. We've analyzed durability, customer satisfaction, and anti-shake tech to bring you this definitive list. Stick around until the end, because our number one pick is a complete game changer that solves the biggest fear every mobile creator has. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Number 5. The Reachmaster Shawnshear Updated Extended Magnetic Mount. At number 5, we have the Shawnshear Extended Magnetic Mount, arguably the best magnetic neck phone holder for those who prioritize a natural field of view. Its massive 27.6-inch extended gooseneck is 4 inches longer than standard models, making it a versatile POV phone mount that reduces eye strain while filming. It's budget-friendly and features a 360-degree rotation for instant TikTok or YouTube formatting. If you need hands-free filming for long hours of walking or vlogging, this ultralight necklace phone holder is an affordable essential. Number 4. The Speed Demon Telesin Magnetic Quick Release Mount. For creators who are always on the move, the Telesin Magnetic Neck Mount takes the 4th spot. This is the best magnetic neck mount for speed, featuring a one-click quick-release design that lets you jump into action instantly. With 12 powerful magnets, this selfie mount offers a strong magnetic attachment that feels incredibly secure for vlogging and for smartphone cinematography. It's a popular choice because it removes the struggle of traditional clips, though you'll want to use the included anti-loss rope for high-intensity cycling. Number 3. The Multi-Tool Hamelar Camera and Phone Chest Mount. Coming in at number 3 is the Hamelar Neck Mount, the best neck camera mount for hybrid creators. What makes this unique is its dual compatibility. It's a heavy-duty body camera mount that supports both 7-inch smartphones and action cameras like GoPro or Insta360. If you need a chest phone mount for fishing or rock climbing, its shock-absorbing chest strap stabilization ensures your footage stays smooth. It's the top pick for those who need a wearable phone holder that can survive rugged outdoor environments. Number 2. The Comfort King KNF Concept 2-in-1 Magnetic and Clip. Our runner-up is the KNF Concept, a premium vlogging phone holder that focuses on long-term wearability. This 2-in-1 magnetic and clip-on system is the best POV phone mount for comfort, featuring a specialized air cushion around the neck to prevent irritation. It's a heavy-duty magnetic chest phone mount that fits users of all sizes, providing a stable, eye-level perspective for filming immersive vlogs. While it's a bit larger, its anti-shake performance and flexible silicone tube make it a staple in any mobile content creator gear kit. Number 1. The Pro's Choice Telesin Universal POV/Vlog Clip Mount. Finally, the best neck phone holder on the market is the Telesin Universal Clip Mount. While magnetic mounts are convenient, this POV neck mount wins for total security. Its dual-sided grip and chest strap make it the most reliable best chest phone mount for hiking and camping. It is virtually drop-proof, securing your iPhone or Android with a non-slip rubberized clip. For first-person view recording in intense environments, this is the best mobile vlogging gear money can buy. It delivers professional-grade stability that magnetic versions simply can't match. The verdict: if you want convenience, go magnetic. But if you want the best vlogging phone holder for action, the Telesin Clip version is our champion. Investing in a high-quality neck phone stand will instantly elevate your YouTube and TikTok rankings by providing that immersive, stable look viewers love. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for our next exciting review. See you in the next one.